Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life Adorned. Today's video, you guys, we're doing a clean and exercise with me. How we're going to incorporate a cleaning video and some exercise at the same time. Well, you guys, the reason why I wanted to make this video because like myself, I have a full-time job, and I thought people that are stay-at-home parents or stay-at-home moms or stay-at-home dads, whatever the case may be, sometimes we have such hectic schedules and we really want to, take care of our health and stuff. We just cannot incorporate exercise into that. I want you guys to look forward to an upcoming video of my 5-minute standing workout routine. You guys, you can do this workout at any place. It's not strenuous at all. I do want to give you guys a disclaimer. I am not a professional trainer or anything like that. These are just workouts that I decided to incorporate for myself to help me have some kind of exercise throughout the day within my home. I hope you guys really like this video. I worked really hard on this video. The main reason why I wanted to make it is that I wanted to just share some of the things that I've been learning along the way with my hectic schedule to be able to try and incorporate some kind of exercise into my daily routine. So please share this video, give it a thumbs up, and let's get started with the video. Alright you guys, in today's video I really want to focus on cleaning my actual leather furniture in my living room. I typically dust my furniture with Febreze, but this furniture really needs like a really good cleaning. I'm going to use something very light to clean it with. So again, like I said, I just wanted to wipe everything really down really good, and I'm going to share with you guys some of the products I'll be using in order to accomplish this. Alright you guys, I'm going to share with you some of the products that I'll be using in order to clean my living room leather furniture. I got this spray bottle from Walmart. I think it was like $1. You can get spray bottles for less than $1 or $1 at the Dollar Tree. But the product I'll be using is some Palmolive dishwashing liquid. I'm only going to put just a few drops in here. I'm not going to need a whole lot because like I said, I just want to give my furniture a light cleaning because I know that it needs it. And then once I add these drops in here, I'm just going to add some water to it to give it that, to lather everything up, and this is what I'll be using to clean my living room furniture. Also, I'll be using 2 cleaning towels to clean the furniture with. Alright you guys, you can try this exercise either before you start wiping down your furniture or after, but you just want to do like 10 little leg lifts on each leg. You guys, this doesn't take a whole lot. You just want to make sure that you're leaning against something that can give you a good balance. Alright, here's another piece of furniture that you can use in order to do your leg lifts. If you would like, you can also use a nice sturdy chair. The product I'll be using to clean off my fireplace mantle is the Island Fresh by Febreze. I really like this scent. If you guys tried it, please let me know in the comment section below and let me know what you think. Another good exercise you can incorporate right before you do those chores that require you to bend down and get on your knees is just do a couple of squats. Just do as many as you would like, just to loosen up your muscles before you start doing any kind of bending or getting on your knees cleaning routine. Okay, you guys, who needs a Stairmaster or a treadmill when you have flights of stairs in your home? You guys, this is a good way to get the blood going before you start vacuuming the stairs. You can either choose to do it before you start vacuuming your stairs or after you start vacuuming your stairs, but I suggest you guys really use this in order to, get your blood flowing and circulating before you start cleaning those stairs or afterwards. Alright, you guys, this wraps it up for the clean and exercise with me video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and comment, and please share this video, you guys, and let me know in the comment section your true thoughts about it. I really enjoyed doing this video, and I hope it becomes beneficial to everyone. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.